And that strong brotherhood is expressed through service and services to our people. And this is what attracts me. Mauni, ang una naka-attract sa ako sa nga part ko ni ning Agila, tungod aning strong brotherhood and sense of service that you are giving to the communities. Kanang walang undan na pa
pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In this good cell of human care, we will share our lives to full humanity. We're eagles, the Philippine Eagles, lasting peace and noble mission. We're eagles, best of people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In blessed with cell of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
Mabuhay kanila! Mabuhay kanila! Mabuhay kanila! Thank you very much, mga kuya natin.
And to be followed by the Regional Governor of Caraga Region 3, Eagle Martin Go Jr. And the Regional Governor of Caraga Region 4, Eagle Remick M. Healy.
Service for the good of all humanity. We're eagles, that will be eagles, lasting peace and noble mission. We're eagles, best of all people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity.
Harapan. So ako po ay ipagpaumanhin ninyo kung sakasakali ang ating welcome address ay lumampas sa binigay na oras o minuto para sa welcome address. But I will assure you, mga kuya, mga ate, that this afternoon, until tonight, our fellowship, we will give you
Thank you very much, kuya. All the way from Surigao del Norte, our Regional Governor of Caraga Region 3.
This is the officers and members of the Caraga Regional Governor's Leg. I hope and pray that this group will continue forever with passion and unity. So please raise your right hand for the oath of officer. I, Eagles, state your name.
I, Leonardo Binonan Jr.
Who are in the presidential table and the sub-presidential table. Of course, the chairman of Caraga Region Governor's Leg, Kuya Leonardo Nonan. Kuya, may hapon. Of course, our Vice President for Mindanao, Kuya Teo. The RGL chairman who are inviting us in Vietnam Kuya, pwede ba to kahit na hindi officers o even the members, they can join? As long na may pamasahe daw, you are all invited for Vietnam. Kuya, RGL Chairman, Senator Toriga. Yeah? Of course, Kuya Eric Dabay, the Board of Trustees for Mindanao, and our Chairman for the Protocol, Kuya Dante Wenceslao, and of course, our Board of Trustees and Membership Committee Chairman, Kuya Jericho de Guzman, and we have also here the Governor of Barn 7, Kuya. Ito yung pinakamayaman na Governor natin, Kuya Richman Abdulaziz, Kuya, and his Vice Governor. We have also here one of our, palagi akong nanalo nito. Sabi ko, Kuya, kaya mo ba yung pang-support natin? Gusto ko sana ito sa finance eh. Kaso nga lang, sabi niya, Kuya, kulang yung allowance ko para lang sa akin. Kaya sabi niya, Kuya, dito na lang ako. The Governor, Kuya Nestor Mangisay, Kuya, ngayong hapon. And of course, Kuya Edgar Cervantes, Kuya Go, ngayong hapon, Kuya. And Kuya Martin Go, Jr., Kuya, ngayong hapon. Di ba, nagsabi ko sa inyo na we should be here. And I really appreciate na marami ang sumama sa iyo. Congratulations, Kuya. And of course, Kuya Go Vrenick Gilye. Kuya, wala? Di dumating? Asan pa yung Vice Governor niya? Alam ko nandito eh. And of course, Kuya Kirk Andro Aberlosa. Kuya, ngayong hapon. Kuya Ray Hamboy. Kuya BM, ngayong hapon. Of course, Kuya, the chairman, nabanggit ko na kanina, Kuya Nonan, and Kuya Gob Jerry Bakot, Kuya, of course, Kuya Gob General Juntela, alam ko nandyan ang Caraga Region 10, nandyan ba sila? Ayun, nandun, of course, may representative, and of course, Kuya Melvin Lacuero, Kuya,